Eggs are fantastic. They are full of good things. You can make so many dishes with them. Eggs are like magic in the kitchen.
Eggs are not just tasty, they are healthy too. Eggs give you energy. They help you grow strong.
Eggs are cheap and easy to find. You can always have some in your kitchen, ready to cook something delicious. Eggs are everywhere. From breakfast to dinner, eggs are a staple in many cultures. They are versatile, nutritious, and can be prepared in countless ways. Whether boiled, scrambled, poached, or fried, eggs are a beloved ingredient around the world. Every country has its egg dishes. These dishes reflect the unique culinary traditions and flavors of each region. From the delicate French omelette to the hearty American breakfast, eggs play a central role in many cuisines. It shows how important eggs are. They are not just a source of protein but also a symbol of culinary creativity and cultural heritage. Eggs bring people together, whether it's a family breakfast or a festive celebration.
In Japan, people love tamagoyaki. It's a rolled omelette, sweet and savory. Made with a mixture of eggs, sugar and soy sauce, it's cooked in a special rectangular pan to achieve its unique shape. Perfect for breakfast or lunch. Tamagoyaki is often served in bento boxes and is a favorite among children and adults alike. Its delicate texture and balanced flavor make it a delightful dish. Spain has its famous tortilla española. This dish is a staple in Spanish cuisine and is enjoyed at any time of the day. Made with eggs, potatoes and onions, it's a simple yet satisfying dish. It's a thick potato omelette, a classic tapas dish. Often served as an appetizer or snack, tortilla española is a must-try for anyone visiting Spain. Its rich flavor and hearty texture make it a crowd pleaser. India boasts its spicy egg curry. This dish is a flavorful blend of hard-boiled eggs simmered in a rich, spicy sauce made with tomatoes, onions, and a variety of spices. Eggs cooked in a flavorful sauce. The spices used in egg curry vary by region, but the result is always a delicious and aromatic dish that pairs perfectly with rice or bread. Egg curry is a popular dish in Indian households and is often enjoyed during special occasions and family gatherings. Its bold flavors and comforting nature make it a beloved dish.
Cooking eggs can be tricky. Sometimes they stick to the pan, or the yolk is not cooked how you like.
Don't worry, we've all been there. It takes practice. Overcooked eggs can be rubbery. Undercooked eggs can be dangerous. Getting the timing right is key. Listen to my tips. You'll be an egg master in no time, ready to impress your friends and family.
From boiling to frying, mastering egg techniques. Eggs are a versatile ingredient, and mastering the art of cooking them can elevate your culinary skills. Whether you prefer them boiled, poached, scrambled, or fried, each method brings out a unique flavor and texture.
Let's start with boiling eggs. It's a simple yet essential technique. Gently lower eggs into boiling water. This prevents them from cracking. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes for a soft yolk, like a little sun. If you prefer a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time to around 10 to 12 minutes.
Poaching eggs requires a bit more practice, but the results are worth it. Crack the egg into simmering water. Make sure the water is not boiling, just gently simmering. Wait for the white to set. This usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll see a beautiful shape. The yolk should be runny, encased in a delicate white.
Scrambled eggs are easy. Whisk eggs with milk. The milk makes them creamy. Season with salt and pepper. Cook on low heat. Stir slowly. This ensures they stay soft and fluffy.
Frying is fun. Heat oil in a pan. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the egg. Crack the egg directly into the pan. Listen to the sizzle. Cook until the edges are crispy. This gives the egg a delightful texture. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs. Gordon's signature Scotch egg, a symphony of flavors. This dish is not just a treat for the taste buds but also a feast for the eyes. The perfect blend of textures and flavors makes it a standout on any menu.
The Scotch egg is a masterpiece. It's a labor of love and precision, crafted to perfection. Every bite tells a story of culinary excellence. It starts with a soft-boiled egg, wrapped in sausage meat, then coated in breadcrumbs. Each step is crucial to achieving that perfect balance of crispy exterior and soft, flavorful interior.
Deep fry until golden brown. The outside is crispy. The frying process locks in the flavors, creating a delightful crunch with every bite. The inside is soft and flavorful. The yolk remains slightly runny, adding a rich, creamy texture that complements the seasoned sausage meat perfectly. A party in your mouth. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, making it a favorite at gatherings and celebrations.
Serve it hot with mustard. It's a great snack. The tangy mustard sauce adds a zesty kick, enhancing the overall taste experience. Perfect for picnics or parties. Scotch eggs are versatile and can be enjoyed in various settings, whether it's a casual picnic or a festive party. So there you have it. Eggs are amazing. They are incredibly versatile and can be transformed into a multitude of delicious dishes. You can cook them in so many ways. From simple boiled eggs to elaborate dishes like the Scotch egg, The possibilities are endless. Now go to the kitchen and get cracking. Unleash your creativity and explore the wonderful world of eggs. Happy cooking!